Gunnison Community School. This is how you need to sign up for any resources. This includes fields, gyms, stage, commons areas, and also iPad carts and laptop carts. The first thing is you need to make sure that you're logged into your Google account, your school Google account. Then come to your waffle and go ahead and go to your calendar. And then once you're on your calendar, you'll notice that I've got a lot of stuff on my calendar. I'm just going to go ahead and display only my calendar. So the first thing I'm going to do is create my event, but I'm going to hit the create button. I'm going to put my name on this, and then I'm going to choose the date that I want this resource. So for example, if I want it for December, and I'm just going to put December, maybe during a vacation time, December 25th, and you can choose whatever time that you'd like. So I can even say 1:05, and I can say AM, and it automatically defaults to an hour, but you can again change this to 5:50 AM, whatever you'd like. If you need it for multiple days, please don't put in 1 day here and 1 day here unless you're going to use it for the complete days, because then you can do the all day. Otherwise, if you want it for these same times the next day, hit repeat and then choose daily, and then you can say it ends on, let's just say it ends on the 26th. Then it will put it on my calendar 2 times. I'm going to say done. So the important part here is you must click rooms, and this is available for future dates. So you see the different, you'll get these that come up that the calendar's guessing what you're going to want to use. But you can go here to GCS, find what's available, GES, or GMS to find what's available. I will warn you, however, that if you do not see it in this list, that means it's already taken. So please don't just type it in. So when you say, let's just say we want to use the conference room, I'm going to go ahead and put that conference room there, and right here where it says where, it will add the conference room. Please don't put that in yourself, because unless you have it exactly the same way, it will not register it on the conference room calendar. You have to go to rooms to do this. Now, if you are going to, the other thing that I want to say is please put your event information, what time the real start time is here. If you need to set up, this description part is the part that you need to put for the building manager, which is Joey, to know what you need. So I will be setting up at 12 midnight, and I need 50 chairs facing the stage, even though this doesn't make sense because I'm doing the conference room. Put all of your setup information in this description box for Joey. You do not have to mess with anything down here as long as this says where, and your calendar, you'll see also this is on my calendar here, and that's fine. That's what it needs to be. So I'm going to go ahead and say save. So now I'm going to go to December 25th, and here it is. It's on December 25th and December 26th. If I go to the conference room, the GCS conference room, you can see that I also have it also on the GCS conference room as well. So I'm in December, and here it is right here, 105 Powell and 105 Powell. I cannot edit this calendar. I can remove, but what you want to do, and you'll see that it's on twice, and that's okay. If I delete it from this calendar right here, this is my personal calendar. If I delete it from that calendar, I'm just going to say only this instance, you'll see that it deletes it from both calendars. So yes, you're going to have a double booking, it looks like, but one is on the conference room calendar and the other is on your own personal calendar. So don't delete either one of those. When you delete it, and that's how you delete it. So if you do need to delete an event, you just go to your calendar and then you can delete that event. And I'll just say only this instance, and there it goes, it's gone. So that is how you add resources to your calendar. That's booking any room in that we have a calendar for. So it's the commons areas, the conference room, the stage, the field, the gyms. Remember, there are classes in there, and the classes may not be on those calendars. So if you know that if they're going to be running up against a class, you'll need to talk to that person. So the other thing is, let's just say that I wanted to use a conference room and it was already booked. So I noticed that whoever booked this in December booked this just straight through. So these attendance of behavior meetings. If I know that this meeting is maybe not going to happen, I would need to go and talk to whoever created this. And I can come up there and just click on it, and I see that Beth Goldstone created that. So I need to go talk to Beth to see if there's a way that I could use that room that day, or if she still needs it that day. So if you're going to do the iPad cart, let's go to the computer lab, the GES computer lab. So if I click on the GES computer lab, I can see that Kathy Powell has that logged. So I need to go ask her if I can use that lab, or if she's going to be using all the computers in that lab or whatever. So hopefully this answers all your questions. Thank you very much.